ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Welcome guys to episode 8 of this series, and this is the Brooklyn. Looking at the ingredients in this cocktail, it's very similar to the Bensonhurst cocktail, which I did a couple of episodes ago. Let's get mixing. In today's recipe, we've got a rye, a sweet vermouth, a Mare pecan, and Luxardo maraschino liqueur. We're grabbing our mixing glass for this one, and we're going to go 1.5 ounces of our rye whiskey. We're going to go 1.5 ounces of our sweet vermouth. The book calls for a dash of the Mare pecan. I'm just going to use a bar spoon, put a tiny little bit of it on it. Maraschino liqueur, just a dash. Add ice to the mixing glass. And we're going to stir for 15 to 30 seconds. We're going to strain this into a chilled coupe. Here we go, folks, the Brooklyn. Wow, that is wonderful. Wow, that is great. It's like a sweeter, orangey version of a Manhattan. This is a quality cocktail. Give this one a try, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.